Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your child's Realme C31. So open Settings application, scroll down, click Accounts and add child's Google account on child's device. But you need to know that if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So you need to create an account for the child or ask the child to change the password from his own account. So click Google and add Google account. Click Next and enter child's password. Click Next, scroll down, click I agree. Cool, now go back to Settings menu. Then scroll down, click Google, scroll down again and click Parental Controls. Click Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next. Cool. Now choose child's Google account, click Continue. And now you need to log in into your Google account, into parent's Google account. So enter parental email. Click Next. Enter your password. And click Next. Enter your password. And click Agree. Allow. Wait a while. Click Retry. Scroll down, click Next. Cool. Now open Play Store and install Family Link on your device. Click Open, go down, click Get Started and click Switch Account, open your Google account and cool. Now you will see just at Google account, child's is UGB in my case, click on it and wait a while again. Okay, Now we have full control of the child's Google of the child's Realme C31. We can lock or unlock child's device. We can block separate applications on the child's phone, and that's all. For example, how you can block applications on the child's phone. You need to open these menus and scroll down. For example, I want to block send anywhere. So find send anywhere in this menu. Click on the send watch. Click block. Wait a while, and cool. Send anywhere was successfully blocked, and child can't open it. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.